Alright, so I will be using this, my Tubotowels, baby. Heavy duty cleaning wipes. And for this, Otto. For this, we're going to be cleaning up this stuff right here. A little bit of bird poop, a little bit of dirt. Look at that awesome poop. More poop. Oh man. The birds just showered upon me, man. I'm so favorable amongst the birds. Some more poop. Oh man. It must have been a s'more cookout or something, and a bunch of s'mores just, you know, fell out of the sky. That's all it was, right? More poo-poo. Then up here. Right there on top, whole bunch of poop, more poop right there. I don't think, you know what? I might be confused. I don't think that's poop, guys. I think that's, I don't know what that is, to be honest with you, right? It's corn on a cob, that's what that is. Corn on a cob. I'm cheap. More poop stains right there. Yep, lots and lots of poop, boys. Lots and lots of poop. And yes, I do drive around with this thing here and there. So I have the poop mobile. Scooby-Doo has the mystery mobile. I have a poop mobile. More poop. Man, the birds just love me, don't they? Them little boys. Them little buddy boys. Oh, and just to top off, a little bit more poop. So apparently my car is a ice cream sundae. So this is what I was using. Just some of this stuff. One of the Tubotowels. Just cleaning it off right here, just to see what it looks like. And bam, that's how dirty it is. Don't you be judging me, man. All right. It's tough times out here, you know. Especially when it comes to either deciding to wash a car or deciding to pick up some new action figures for your collection, which you barely started about a couple days ago, like me. So oh man, look at that grime. Yep. Just all of this. Just so much. Oh look, more poop. Oh man, it's a little bit harder to get off. Oh, a little more poop right there too. This stuff right here is not poop. I think it's just the paint got cracked. So, the title of this video, as you clearly all know, is, because you're watching it of course, Tubotowels versus bird poop. That's a pretty catchy title right there, don't you think? And I know I really shouldn't be rubbing this on the entire car. Trust me, I'm kind of just doing this just to show you what, you know, what the wipe looks like afterwards. Just how dirty this car is. The poop. And yes, I know I need to go and get a car wash. So before you send in all those comments about how it needs to go to the car wash, not this stuff, I know that. It's just so dirty. The back window is very dirty. Look at that. I'm telling you, I have not cleaned this car since I think August 2021. Currently it is May 2022. towel's pretty much black now. Yep, I don't pick a lot of chicks up. You can tell, but I do pick up a lot of birds apparently. So I guess I'm not lonely, guys. All right. More bird poop. Again, I'm just trying to get this poop off. That's really it. This other stuff's just extra. Plus, I know a lot of people like watching cleaning videos for some reason on YouTube. So here you go. Plus, you know what? This could be a good sponsor video for Tubotowels. And I promise I'm not sponsored. But you know what, Tubotowels? If you would like to use this as a promotional video, contact me. I'd love to do business. Alright, so from what it looks like, that's about all the poop I got, boys. And my car looks like nope. This one's kind of stuck right there to it. Oh, man. There we go. Still a little bit of poop. Keep finding stuff. Look at that, a little bit more poop. Just a little bit more. Nope, in life, don't take things for granted, right? A little bit of poop is another man's treasure. Alright, that should be about it. Oh man, look at how weird it looks. It looks weird. Looks like somebody just wrecked my car. Oh man, some more poop. Come on, boy. And there's more poop up here. Alright, well apparently there's poop all over the car. And it will never go away. Until right now. Look at this. Alright, so that covers it for today's video. Tubotowels against bird poop.